Hi guys, Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and today I'm coming to you from Narrogin. Narrogin is about 2 hours drive from Perth, southeast of Perth, and it is a regional hub. There's a lot of wheat and sheep farming country around this area, and there's a lot of small towns in the area, but Narrogin is the town that is like the central hub to a lot of the smaller towns. It's where all the services and the government departments are. So the population of Narrogin is around 6,000, and they've got 3 primary schools, a high school and an agricultural high school as well. They've got a really good hospital here which has a great reputation in the region, and the location of Narrogin is, as I said, 2 hours from Perth. It's also 2 hours from Bunbury, east of Bunbury, and 3 hours from Albany. So if you live in Narrogin, you can get to most of the other places that you might want to go to were in a day trip. The lady I spoke to today said that they regularly go to Bunbury for lunch, so it's a 2-hour drive. They go and have a really nice lunch by the water in Bunbury and then come back again. So what's going on in town? It's just always been a really solid town because of the regional centre that it is. So I've looked at a house today that is a mortgagee in possession. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom fibro house, and generally these sort of houses sell for around the 135,000, but this one does need a little bit of reno, not too much. And because it's mortgagee in possession, it's been empty for a year, it's being sold for 90,000. So as far as flipping, doing a renovation and flipping again, not really enough money in it when you're thinking that you probably can only sell for around the 135. But rental demand is really strong in the town, and this sort of house would fetch around the 240 to 250 a week. So if you're wanting something that's in a solid regional town and getting good solid rent, good cash flow, this town could be the town for that kind of strategy. So I did ask about Airbnb. There's a lot of caravans that go through the town, but no real tourism in the town. There are some workers that come to town from Monday to Friday, and their companies do pay for Airbnbs for them. However, the house that I looked at wasn't in the right location for that, so there could be in other locations in the town a little bit of Airbnb. But generally the sweet spot for property in this town is good strong rental cash flow on fairly cheap properties. So I hope you've enjoyed that little talk on Narrogin, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.